I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know.
Quick guys, just as I promised you guys in my previous video that I am going to walk you guys through on how you can get registered on this particular site that is called HYBITRAGE.com. All right, so I promised you guys that I'm going to walk you guys through on how to get registered and how to verify your account and how to verify the users and how to fund your account, withdraw rates and all that. I promised you guys that I'm going to share with you guys that exactly in my next video, and here we are. All right, so if you are new to my channel here, and if this is your first time of seeing my video, or if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button as well. I really appreciate it if you can smash that like button. And if I'm getting views, at least please, I'm sharing best information with you guys here. All right, so I want every one of you that are watching right now, make sure to do me that favor. Do not exclude yourself from the community, guys. All right, so it's very, very important because I will be sharing more websites whereby you can buy dollar at cheaper rate and say very high. All right, you make a lot of money. It's all about win-win situation here, guys. All right, so what you just need to do for me right now is for you to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button in appreciation, and also be sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share content or share the other platforms that are okay like this, you will be able to be notified that okay, I've shared another platform. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's dive into the video fully so that you get the necessary information that you need to start using this platform. All right, so that is it, guys. First thing first, you come to this website. As I said earlier on, I'm going to drop the link. All right, I'm going to drop the link here. You will see the link. You see the link here. I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. All right, so I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. Just follow the link and register. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this website, and what you just need to do, you fill all your real information, guys. All right, use your real information to fill all the necessary places, all the necessary spot that you need to fill in. All right, so make sure you fill them out very well and submit that form. After submitting it, it will take you to this platform. After you use all the whole necessary information, even both your email, your real email, so they will send you a confirmation link to your email, and you will go to your email and click on verify my account. It will take you to this interface that you are seeing, this particular interface that you are seeing right now. So now for you to start using this platform, first of all, you will see welcome to probably your own name. All right, this is my name. All right, so you will see welcome to your own name. Now this is my ID here. You can see that here. This is my ID. So if I want to sell USD or GBP or euro to anybody, this is what the person is going to use to verify if I have that amount of money in my wallet or not. All right, so also make sure that all the necessary information, all the probably your phone number, your email address, and all that you use to register, that is what also when people verify your ID, all those excuse me, all those information need to be intact. All right, you need to correlate with what that person is going to see. That is when the person will know that okay, you are real. All right, and you also have the amount that you claim to sell or buy. All right, so that is just how it is. And again, if you want to withdraw, when you look at this here, you will see withdraw. All right, buy, withdraw. So if I want to buy or fund my wallet, just click on fund wallet here. Once I click on it, you will see it load. And also make sure to read all these things that you are seeing. I've read all these things, so make sure to read all these things. And also you can as well join this telegram group here. This is their Telegram group, so you can as well join their Telegram groups. Then also you can join their WhatsApp group as well. Whatever transaction that you are going to do, make sure you contact any of these two. You contact them via WhatsApp, so they will also help you to verify if the buyer or the seller is real. All right, so before sending the money, all right, though you cannot send money to anybody. As far as you are buying, you cannot send money to anyone except you see that money on your wallet. And what I mean by that, your wallet, this is where you will be seeing the money. All right, you will be seeing the money here on your wallet. So now if you want to withdraw, the same thing. If I click on withdraw now, because my info is still processing, they are still processing my my what is it called, my documents. All right, so you have to submit your document, and they will go through it and they get back to you. So once they are through, or they are done processing my document, I will be able to withdraw. And also as well, make sure to read all these things. And if you have any difficulties using this site, you can everly or always fall back to them on WhatsApp here. All right, this is WhatsApp group. You can always drop your message and they will instantly respond to you. Here is their Telegram as well. All right, so now when you look at this place here, you will see that withdrawers, they do their withdrawals every Wednesday and Sundays only. That is when withdrawals are done. All right, so that is how it is. And you can see my information here. All right, you can see my information here. I'm not telling you what I don't know. Look at my information here. You can see my information here. All right, so that is how this site works. And you want to transfer funds to anyone, look at it here. Make sure you read all these things so that you'll be able to understand. It's just a tips. All right, it's just a tip whereby you can just go through it and understand how to go about your transaction. All right, so if you have any problem, as I said earlier on, you can fall back to them on WhatsApp. All right, so they will respond to you immediately. Now, transferring, if you want to transfer, you can only transfer. Look at here, you will insert the transfer ID before you proceed. All right, so you can only transfer probably USD, GBP or Euro to anybody using this platform as well. You can transfer to anybody using this platform. All right, you can. That is the essence of this. So for you to confirm the user, all right, you click on this. Once you click on this, also read all these things. All right, read all these things. So all the whole thing that they are telling you here, there is no way someone will come here and scam anybody. All right, so what you will do if you want to really confirm if the person that you want to buy probably USD from his or her hand is legit, or is that the person have that kind of money in his wallet, in his or her wallet, just copy that person ID. You remember the ID? Look at it here. You copy the person ID here. Once you copy the person ID, you will come to this confirm user here. All right, once you come to confirm user, you paste the ID here. All right, once you paste the ID here, you click on verify. The information, all the information about that person will pop up here. So once it pop up and you did not see the same number that the person used to register or to list the advert, this platform is ensuring you say you should report that user immediately. All right, so it's as simple as that. So before you send money to anybody, you must see the money that, or the amount that you requested from that person, or you wanted to buy from that particular person. You must see the amount on your wallet here before any other thing. All right, before sending money to the person. So that is how this site really works. And also always make sure to contact them on WhatsApp. All right, so now when you look at this place here, as I said in my previous video, this particular website also the minimum amount or the minimum transaction that you can do, you can see it here. This is $10 and the maximum is $46,000. All right, so for you to know how much they sell at black market, let me take for instance, I put one here, that is $1. Look at how much they are selling here. All right, if you want to say on their black market, this is how much you are going to get per dollar. All right, but with the site that I shared with you guys in my previous video, which is binance.com, once you purchase or once you buy your USDT here at that rate, once you buy it, you will go to that place and sell it. And if this is the first video that you're watching on my channel, I will advise you pause this video and go back to the first video and watch the first video so that you will get the necessary information and you combine it with this particular one. And also you can as well buy directly from this side. You can buy Bitcoin directly, you can buy USDT directly, you can buy Ethereum, and you can do transfer. All right, so the same thing with different coin here that you can see. You can see USD, you can see GBP, and you can see Euro here. So any particular one that you want to use to purchase any of these things, you can do it directly from your wallet here. You can buy that. So that is how this site is, and that is how profitable this site is. All right, so that is it. As I said earlier on, if you love content like this and you want me to do more videos on the best websites that you can as well continue using to maximize your profit, I am going to share another website in my next video. So for you not to miss that, make sure you smash that subscribe button as I said earlier on, and also smash that notification bell. Also, the most importantly, smash that like button in appreciation so that this video will be able to get to those that are also looking to make money doing arbitrage business. All right, so this is the best website, and as I promised you guys, I will continue to feed you guys with best websites that you guys are going to use to buy dollar at cheaper rate and say hi. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.